Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your iPhone says liquid detected. So guys, if you are trying to charge your device but whenever you plug in your charger it says charging not available, liquid has been detected. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply plug out your charger, and after this you have to dry the port of your iPhone. So guys, here you can see the charging port. You have to simply blow in here and you have to dry this port for one time. So guys, simply dry this port, and after this you have to dry the pin of your charger as well. So guys, here you can see the pin of your charger. You have to simply dry this one as well. So guys, do this, and after this restart your iPhone for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and dry the port and dry the pin of your charger, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.